ईटी नॉर्थ प्रदेश और फोकस में है इस समय अशोक लेलैंड के रिजल्ट्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग रिजल्ट्स आए थे और मिस्टर गोपाल ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं हमें, महादेवन साहब, बात करने के लिए। देखिए स्टॉक डेज हाई पे है, ऑलमोस्ट 2% आया। गोपाल, गुड आफ्टरनून, ईटी नॉर्थ प्रदेश पे हमसे बात करने के लिए धन्यवाद। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कि वॉल्यूम्स का ट्रेंड किस तरह से शेप अप हो रहा है इस क्वार्टर में भी, और ओवरऑल ट्रेंड आपको किस तरह जाते हुए दिखाई दे रहा है, फॉरवर्ड ट्रेंड इन द सेंस दैट इंक्वायरीज कैसी आ रही हैं हर सेगमेंट वाइज, अगर आप शेयर कर सकते हैं।
I think industry volumes बढ़ रहा है quarter on quarter. We have seen that the quarter two volumes were better than the quarter one. Also sequentially it has improved well. Our volumes have also grown significantly. So we are expecting that Q3 and Q4 should be better quarters as the economy opens up further, because with the level of vaccination that has happened in the country today, it looks like the COVID impact of COVID-3 should not be very significant. And also from the company's perspective, we would be launching the CNG range of vehicles in Q4, which will actually improve our share of market in ICV with the CNG launch, which is also going to be a positive for us.
सर, एक ये सेगमेंट टू सेगमेंट में मेरे को थोड़ी क्लैरिटी चाहिए थी आपसे कि बस, ट्रक और डिफेंस से जो होने वाला रेवेन्यू, क्योंकि आप तीनों सेगमेंट्स में ही हैं, तो इसको आप किस तरह से इसको अलग अलग करते हैं और दूसरे हाफ में इससे उम्मीदें कितनी की जाएं इस पर्टिकुलर तीनों सेगमेंट से, बस, ट्रक एंड डिफेंस?
Well, all I will tell you is that MHCV accounts for roughly about 55% of revenues today, and the balance is by non-MHCV sectors. LCV has been doing very well. The market share has grown to nearly 23.3% in the second quarter. Aftermarket, power solutions, defense, and exports are also doing reasonably well, especially aftermarket and power solutions. So we expect that these businesses will continue to contribute to the overall revenue pie and the profit pie also, more importantly, because the margins in these businesses are much, much better.
करेक्ट, राइट थी। मिस्टर माधवन, साथ ही आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि मार्जिन प्रेशर कितना ज़्यादा वेट करता है आपके लिए, कैसे डेंट किया है इसने प्रॉफिटेबिलिटी को, और क्या कमोडिटीज़ के बढ़े हुए दाम का असर रहा है?
Yes, you're right. I mean, the raw material prices, especially steel, has been increasing month on month ever since mid of last year. So, the industry volumes were not picking up until now. So to the extent possible, we have been increasing our pricing also. We did a price increase in April. We did a price increase in July. We would also be doing that as we move forward. But most importantly, we'll be focusing on increasing our market share. That is going to be very crucial for us. And the launch of the CNG vehicle in the fourth quarter will be a big plus for us in terms of increasing our share further. Hopefully, we should see growth in our market share from where I'm speaking now. And as far as pricing is concerned, we will, try to manage the pricing as efficiently as possible. But the second part of this is also going to be to manage our cost. So both on material side and on overheads, our large teams are working to reduce the material cost as well as the overheads, which should improve our overall operational efficiency. And there is a big focus on digital in the company today because there are more efficient ways of getting, business done. Hopefully, with all of this happening, we should see the profitability of the company improve, but we'll have to wait and watch.
गोपाल, कंपनी की डेट पे इस समय क्या स्ट्रैटेजी बन रही है? आपने पहले बताया था कि सिस्टमैटिकली डेट रिड्यूस करना इज अ एरिया ऑफ फोकस, अभी क्या चल रहा है?
One of the most important, I think, highlights of this quarter was the steep reduction in debt. We have, reduced debt by over 1,000 crores, and our current debt levels are about 3,100 crores, which is a debt equity of about 0.5, which is very, very comfortable for any company. We will continue to focus on cash generation, working capital management, and also to see how the P&L contributes to the cash of the company. Hopefully, our situation should get better as we move forward. We'll keep you posted on that.
गोपाल जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, थैंक यू वेरी मच, आज आपने समय दिया, अच्छा लगा आपसे बातचीत करके। आई होप जल्दी आपसे वापस मुलाकात होगी, और आप जो कह रहे हैं कि डिजिटल पे ज़्यादा फोकस रहेगा और इन तीनों डिविजन्स को हम थोड़ा और बेहतर करेंगे, इसके लिए हमारी भी आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई सर। आगे बढ़